In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to transfer or send money from Cash App to a Chime account. First, open the Cash App on your phone and make sure you're signed into the correct account. Once you're in the app, tap on your profile icon, located at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings, where you can manage your linked banks, cards, and other payment options. Next, scroll down until you see the Linked Banks section and tap on it. Here, you'll have the option to add a new bank or debit card. Select Link a debit card, and when prompted, choose the option that says No Card and wait for the page to fully load. Once it's ready, tap Continue to move forward. In the search bar, type Chime and select it from the list of banks that appears. You'll be asked to enter your Chime account details, including your email address and password. Make sure to input the correct information so that your account links successfully. After you've linked your Chime account, you'll receive a confirmation that it's ready to use. Now, go back to the Cash App home screen and tap on the Cash Out button. Enter the amount of money you want to transfer to your Chime account. Double-check that the amount and the linked account are correct, then tap Confirm. The transfer will be processed, and the money should arrive in your Chime account within a few minutes. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to send or transfer money from Cash App to a Chime account step by step.
Make sure your Cash App balance has enough funds before starting the transfer. And once your accounts are linked, moving money back and forth is quick and easy.